Look at my hands. I'm shaking. All my body is shaking. It was only a dream, Mommy. He was there. His car was parked there in the same gas station, all dressed in green, dark green. I couldn't move my head, but I was watching him in the mirror. Oh, it was horrible. His face was sort of erased. But I knew he was looking at me. Two invisible eyes. Two invisible and monstrous eyes. Please stop. You're frightening me. I'm sorry, Butterfly. You shouldn't listen to Mommy. Go back to sleep. I'm not tired anymore. I just want to get away from here. Mommy needs some sleep, too. We've got a long way to go tomorrow. Go back to sleep, Angel. Mom is going to keep the devil away. Now close your eyes. Everything is fine. Everything is light. Mom loves you more than any mom in the world. See you in the morning light, where the bird sings with the sun. I love you, sweetie. I love you, Mom. Wake up! What's happening? I felt his breath in my hair. He's here. I know he's here. We'll start the car, Mom. Hurry up. I can't. I don't know what to do. Turn the key, please. Go. Where is he? There's the car behind us, Mom. I told you. Be quiet now. Mommy, I swear to God, I'm so afraid. He's coming. He's gonna hit us. Faster. Everything is so light. There's a light. It's not sure. It's all your fault. You just have to keep quiet. He must be so crazy right now. He's going to kill us for sure. Mom, I swear to God, I'll be good. Please. I'll be the best boy in the world. Shut up. I can't let you hide forever. Shut up. I'll kill you. Mommy, it was only Mommy. He was there. He was just there. Mommy.